Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below, and without further delay, let's jump right in. Pongal, a festival of abundance. Pongal is a multi-day Hindu harvest festival celebrated by Tamils in India and many countries like Sri Lanka, Malaysia, the United States, Indonesia, Mauritius, Singapore, United Kingdom, South Africa, Canada, Australia, and Gulf countries. It is observed in the month of Thai according to the Tamil solar calendar and usually falls on January 14th or 15th. The festival is named after the ceremonial Pongal, which means to boil, overflow, and refers to the traditional dish prepared from the new harvest of rice boiled in milk with jaggery offered to Surya, the sun god. Let's deep dive and look into how this festive scene is set, how it is celebrated, and its meaning. Day 1 Bogi Pongal, the dawn of discarding. Setting the scene. In the heart of Tamil Nadu, the bustling villages eagerly awaited the onset of Grand Pongal festival. The first day, known as Bogi Pongal, marked the beginning of the celebration. How it is celebrated. The villagers gathered to discard the old and welcome the new. Bonfires were lit, and items no longer in use were cast into the flames. It symbolized the cleansing of the past and making way for a fresh start. Meaning of this festival. Bogi Pongal teaches the importance of letting go of the unnecessary baggage in our lives, allowing room for growth and new beginnings. Day 2 Thai Pongal, the gratitude offering, setting the stage. As the sun painted the sky with hues of orange, the village embraced the second day, Thai Pongal, with joyous anticipation. The air filled with the aroma of freshly harvested crops. How it is celebrated. The highlight of Thai Pongal was the boiling of the Pongal pot. Villagers gathered in courtyards, offering the first yield of their harvest to the sun god, expressing gratitude for the bountiful crops. Meaning of this festival. Thai Pongal is a day of gratitude, acknowledging the role of nature, especially the sun god, in providing nourishment. It teaches us to appreciate and express thanks for the abundance in our lives. Day 3 Matu Pongal, celebrating livestock. Madu refers to ox in Tamil. Setting the scene. The third day, Matu Pongal dawned with an air of festivity. The villagers adorned their cattle with flowers and colorful garlands, recognizing their invaluable contribution to agriculture. How it is celebrated. In a lively procession, the cattle were paraded through the village, showcasing the deep bond between farmers and their animals. Special treats were offered to the livestock as a token of appreciation. On this day, a traditional sports of Tamil Nadu named Jallikattu is celebrated. It is similar to the Spanish bullfight. In this event, a bull or an ox is released into a crowd of people, and the multiple human participants attempt to grab the large hump on the bull's back with both arms and hang on to it while the bull attempts to escape. Participants hold the hump for as long as possible, attempting to bring the bull to a stop. In some cases, participants must ride long enough to remove flags on the bull's horns. Jallikattu has a long history dating back to the Tamil classic period 400 to 100 BCE. It was common among the Arya tribes who lived in the Mullai geographical region of ancient Tamil Nadu. Later, it became a platform for display of bravery, and prize money was introduced for participation and encouragement. Meaning of this festival. Matu Pongal emphasizes the importance of animals in agriculture and the symbolic relationship between humans and livestock. It instills a sense of gratitude for the silent partners in the farming journey. Day 4 Kanum Pongal, connecting with kin, setting the stage. On the final day, Kanum Pongal, the village wore a festive charm. Families come together, sharing the joy of the harvest and strengthening the ties that bound them. How it is celebrated. The day was marked by visits to friends and family and outdoor activities. Villagers exchanged greetings, and the communal bond was further strengthened through shared feast and joyous conversations. Meaning of this festival. Kanum Pongal encourages social harmony and emphasizes the significance of family and community bonds. It serves as a reminder to cherish relationships and celebrate the collective achievements of the community. The moral of Pongal festival. The tale of the Pongal celebration teaches us the essence of unity and gratitude. Through collective efforts and thanksgiving, the villagers not only celebrated the abundance of their harvest but also nurtured a sense of togetherness. Pongal, a 4-day harvest of gratitude. As the sun set, casting a warm glow over the village, the echoes of laughter and the fragrance of Pongal lingered in the air. The festival had not only filled their warehouses but had also sown seeds of unity, gratitude, and communal harmony. And so, the annual celebration of Pongal has become a timeless story, reminding us of the significance of thanksgiving, the joy of abundance, and the strength found in unity. I think you enjoyed this story. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to other such stories and profound insights under the Tiny Tales Unfold playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more such stories. Your support means the world to me, and together we will continue to explore the depths of knowledge. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the profound. Thank you.